Today, we are in District 10, featuring a freehold, newly constructed modern semi-D, where you can move in immediately. It is near several popular primary schools and a stone's throw from the shopping mall and 2 MRT stations. We have just the right home for you. I'm Eric Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Come, follow me and we will find out more about this gem in the heart of District 10. This freehold semi-detached spans almost 4,000 square feet of land, offering you the luxury of space and the promise of a lasting investment. With the recent reconstruction, the house now boasts a sprawling built-up of 5,500 square feet, prepared to be captivated by the architectural marvel that stands before you. The heart of this house has got to be this open and closed courtyard, a centerpiece that brings nature indoors. Careful design has crafted this home to cater to every family member's needs. The clever placement of the courtyard and staircase visually connects different floors, fostering a sense of closeness within the family. As you move from the living room to the dining area through the courtyard, you will experience 3 distinct spatial shifts, enhancing the house's variety without disrupting its flow. Functional brilliance abounds with the placement of service areas and the wet kitchen. These areas efficiently serve both the formal dining hall and the family entertainment room, making hosting seamless and enjoyable. The second stairwell adds convenience and reduces the need for lengthy corridors on the upper floors. Therefore, all the bedrooms can be built across the entire width of the house. Step inside to discover 4 exquisite ensuite bedrooms, each a sanctuary of comfort and style. The owner has also chosen quality sanitary fittings from Hans Grohe and Duravit for the entire property. The family area at the back of the house is versatile, ready to transform into a 5th ensuite guest room for visiting relatives or friends. The family room seamlessly connects to the outdoor garden, an ideal setting for hosting unforgettable gatherings with your loved ones. Your search might just end here. Contact me now, and we can make this beautiful house your home.